Hello everyone, today we are going to trade with only $5 and use MACD indicators and fractal chaos bands. We go to the MACD settings, select 17, 7, and 5, and then go to select 2 pixels. Go to Fractal Chaos Band settings and choose 1 and save. Now we are looking for a good moment, and we must watch the market. Does it fulfill our requests for trading? Here is a good moment I got trading because here is the MACD indicator that the market turned from lower to higher, and we see that the candles in red have a strong rebound and large tails. Trades closed successfully and now we have $9.60. Here I got trades higher because we have a strong bottom in the market and the candles will bounce from the bottom to the top. You can see the bottom that I drew from here. The candles will rebound to higher. Trade closed successfully and now we have 18.43 cents. Here I got trade higher because here we also have a strong bottom. Here I put the line on the bottom to see well that we previously had retracement candles from the lower to the higher, indicating that the bottom is strong and the penetration is still weak. The trade closed successfully and now we have $35.39. Here too, as you can see, I got a higher trade because the trend is higher. We had a top in this market but the higher was broken, so the market will try to go lower. I will draw a line here that was previously a top, but it was breached and now it is a bottom, so the rebound from this line will be higher. Trade closed successfully and now we have $67.95. Here is a good moment, we will get trades every trade $30. Here we got trades towards lower. If we see the MACD indicator we have a trend towards lower and the candle's reversal. Boom, I have $123.15. We will know until the end of trading how much the balance will increase. Here the trades will be $50 towards higher because we have a doji candle of the market reversal. If we look at the MACD indicator, we will also see a candlestick reversal towards higher, and that the market is heading for a higher market reversal. The trades were closed successfully, That's good, and I have $215.15. The trades will be for each trade $100. We got trades towards lower, and if we see the MACD indicator, it has applied the conditions that we are looking for trading. This is the most important thing in trading. You must look for the matching moment for trading. The balance I have now is $399.15. I will get trades in the same previous market because we still have the MACD indicator heading lower. My balance now is $675.15. Here we want to look at the fractal chaos bands indicator. It has been breached and the lines of the fractal chaos bands indicator are above the candles, and this is an indication that the breach to the downside is very strong. Trades closed successfully. As you can see, the same market as before, the market is still going lower. I will get some trades. If these trades succeed, I will stop today. If you liked my video on the Trading Make Money channel, like and subscribe to the channel. Trades closed successfully and my balance today is $2,147.